Hey, this is Michael here. In this video, I'll be showing you the ENTRE Institute review. You'll be seeing just how it looks, how it can benefit you, and what you can do with it moving forward, okay? So let me jump into a share screen now, and I'll show you. So here I am on the home page. And as you can see, it's a nice navigation menu, nice above the fold screen. There's even kind of a little bit of a video animation demonstration here, just showing you a little bit about it. They've been seen in the Wall Street Journal, Success, USA Today, Newsweek, and Inc. You can learn about them, who they are, their products, events, contact, which I'll be getting into right here. So who's the founder and CEO? It's Jeff Lerner. He explains the whole entire mission in this one video here, but I'll save you the time. You can do this on your own. I'll have maybe a link right underneath this video, or it'll be, you know, just if you're reading this from if you're watching this from my blog post, just look for it. If you're on, YouTube or somewhere else, it should be just down below. So you have the 3 P's of excellence, how to have an awesome life. Look, everybody does want an awesome life. I know you do. I know you want to get away from having to deal with maybe your 9-to-5 job, not getting enough hours in the day to spend it with your family, spending tons and tons of money on other things that you shouldn't even be spending them on, right? Getting taxed amount of money and going through all that, and then seeing other systems that are a lot of fluff, right? A lot of the other systems out there don't really point you into the right direction. They usually either want you to promote them, or it's just a guru promoting you a course that doesn't work. That's the amazing thing with ENTRE, is that they don't push you to promote them and build them. They build you to help you build your own business online. So they've been able to help you with that, and they're going to help you understand the whole realm of digital marketing online, building your own business and doing that. I've been able to do it myself. I have my own health and wellness lower back business, and then I also have one within the affiliate marketing niche, right? So I have a couple. And I know all about digital marketing. I'm well-rounded. I've had years of it, years of doing it, coaching, consulting, courses, not owning my product, owning my products, and other ways out there with like SEO is what I focus on, ranking posts on Google. I'm Google Ads certified, amongst many other things, okay? So personal excellence, professional excellence, physical excellence, those are the 3 P's there, as you can see on the screen. And here again is the creator of ENTRE, Jeff Lerner. He's a 2-time 8-figure CEO, founder, entrepreneur, speaker, investor, influencer, creative, trainer to over 150,000 awesome life seekers. So you can always learn more about him by clicking there. So watch and listen to what our members have to say. I was debating whether or not I should show you this right here and now, but let's see, I can probably do that here in just a second. Let me just show you a little bit. I might just pause it in the middle of it.
I have gone from wanting to be an employee to wanting to be an entrepreneur.
The motivation here is through the roof. These guys know what they're talking about, and I'm excited to be here and learn.
It's all about us, because when we succeed, they succeed.
I know that I'm on the right path and with the right people right here to make it work for me.
There's so much more to learn, take you up different levels, have breakthroughs. Just a great event, great time.
It's been an absolutely fantastic event. I've gotten a lot of valuable information.
This experience has allowed me to grow as a person, but also grow as a marketer.
I think that this program and this experience and this company has such a potential to help people.
This event will make things a lot more clear for you and help you understand what you need to do, where you need to go, and things you need to overcome to be successful.
I'm
I'm ready to take my business to the next level. And now I can actually go back home and implement these strategies that I've learned here and actually create a business and make something of myself from being here.
This kind of event is for anyone. I got so much information out of this event that I can't even describe. I got financial management advice, marketing advice, plans of attack, and multiple ways to market yourself and market products. And this is truly going to be tools that I can take away and use for the rest of my life. And I truly believe that.
This has been a life-changing experience for me. This is the most amazing company to be a part of. You design your life the way you want it, and they teach you how to do it.
See you at the next event.
All right. Pretty awesome, right? As you can see, it's just for everybody and anybody. If you're a beginner or you have experience with, if you have the desire to want to change your life, to own your own online business, own your own business, take things to the next level financially, with your marketing. I've been able to do these things myself. I invested into myself, and that's the most important thing that you need to ask for yourself. I remember working my job 9 to 5 and not really going anywhere with it, overwhelmed, underpaid, undervalued was an understatement. And then one day I was sitting at my chair during my break time, having my lunch that I just grabbed from my refrigerator, sitting there. I get a message on my phone. I open it up through the Snapchat social media app, and an old friend of mine, Tyson, leaves me a message. He's like, "Hey, how are you doing?" And I go, "Hey, I'm doing great. How's everything?" And we kept talking, and he told me about this thing. He tells me about this thing called affiliate marketing. And so I'm like, that cannot be true. Digital marketing and affiliate marketing, all these other things you can make money online with, start a business. Sounds too good to be true. So later that day, I threw my backpack down as I entered my house, and I immediately ran into my kitchen where my laptop is sitting, and I grabbed my laptop, I opened it up, and I started doing my research. I started watching videos, I went through blog posts, I was going through just everything, and I heard about all these things. And so I wanted to start it. So I put up a blog, I did all these other things. Inside, I was like, yeah, I'm finally gonna start earning more money. I'm gonna start changing my life. I don't have to be worried about these things anymore happening. 3+ years of school is not just gonna go down the drain, and all these certifications. And I was finally gonna make a difference. That company went down. They were taken over by another company, and then they relieved 30+ people, and I was one of them, so I had to go back on unemployment benefits. And that wasn't a great feeling at all. So I had to learn the skills, but good thing during that job, it was getting slow. So I was working at it, going and putting in the effort already. And so, I still hit a wall, and I had to change things up. So I did more research, figuring out what else was out there. I got better training with different programs. This isn't the first place I came to. And then from there on out, I was able to understand, it's about who mentors you. It's not about watching free stuff, doing things for free. It's about who's going to mentor you, who's going to take you to that next level, who can get you there the fastest. And something like ENTRE Institute can help you do that. And ever since then, I was able to build up and then have the plans set in place. Now I have things every day. I have my goals set in place every day for my business and stuff that I do. Anyways, here is more if you want to see from other people. The formula, there's a 3-part formula to this: online education and training, the live events and workshops, which you just saw, coaching and personal development. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the ENTRE blueprint by clicking on this first one, learn more. So inside of the product list, you have the ENTRE blueprint, and this is a 6-step program for transforming your life and creating your own wildly profitable online business. And it just says here, it's the ultimate internet business training that combines tactical training on the 3 most lucrative online business model with Jeff's unique awesome life method that combines psychology, the economics, life coaching, and personal development. So inside, you're going to get trained on exactly how to implement the top 3 business models online and how you can use this to pay for a more awesome life, as well as getting the mindsets and strategies to ensure your success. So the ENTRE blueprint also comes with access to one-on-one advisor to assist each student, which is an amazing thing, because I'll be showing you that here in a bit within their programs. But like I said, the 3 P's of life is lesson 1. The 3 legs of successful action. Lesson 2, lesson 3, the 3 phases of building your legacy. Lesson 4, affiliate marketing, which is what I primarily focus on. I've been very good at that. Lesson 5, e-commerce. Lesson 6, digital consulting. Okay, and I still do that stuff myself. So the Entre Nation you're going to get, it's the most internet's premier awesome life community. So you can get access to this community on Facebook with a lot of like-minded people and get access to the trainers and the course creators. All right, and you also get a private library course called the Marketplace with a new course being added regularly. Entre Nation Elite, it's the only members-only business training group where the founder, actually, Jeff Lerner, will go along with this team of expert advisors inside of a Rolodex of 7 to 10-figure business owners and train you on how to build an elite level business to create the freedom, flexibility, and quality of life that you've been wanting and searching for such a long time. Starting with the principle that before it can be enjoyed, an awesome life has to be paid for. So you're going to learn what the thing about Entre Blueprint that I like too is that you get to, they're not going to rush you. They're going to tell you, look, this is what we need from you first. This is what we're going to get out of you next. And then we'll build you up to the next part. It's not just get it in the day, rush through the first 3 lessons and you're done. No, that's just an amazing part, because if you want skills, if you already have skills and you want to take it to the next level, Entre can help you do that. And as a beginner, they'll take you to those skills as well. So Entre Digital, here too, as you can see, the entire digital course bundle, the flagship product of it, constant comprehensive online program that dissects the 3 most lucrative areas of the online business world, okay, with a business advisor and mentor to each of them. The Entre Results is the entire one-on-one coaching program that's called the Fast Track Coaching Packages, designed to accelerate our numbers, results in business and life, okay? So the entire results team is led by the professional coaching team of Jared and Amy Polak, and includes coaches who are trained in traditional business coaching, life coaching, and internet marketing. That's a rare combination that you will not find in today's market, okay? And here's more information on that, how it's gonna run by. The Entre Inner Circle, it's a pinnacle membership within Entre. It is an annual mastermind and coaching program for entrepreneurs and business owners who are already ready to go to the next level. So it's a training that is built around Entre's priority 5 pillars of entrepreneurship. So this can be something more geared to if you've already started in the online space, but you just need more of a push. Okay, so it'll go through that. It shows you here the annual membership includes the 2 live workshops, 12-month virtual intensives with Jeff, complimentary membership, exclusive trainings and opportunities for the circle member. This is also, Entre Mastery is also designed and established for professionals or entrepreneurs who are looking to go up from good to great. It'll allow you to work with the CEO, Jeff Lerner, and to develop a comprehensive plan for excellence across their whole life business. Again, they like the 3 Ps, they go over everything, not just the business, how to make money. And that's all of it in here included. So that's pretty amazing. There really isn't nothing else to compare Entre to. It's in its own unique program. I know there's so many other ones out there, but this is the one that I would stand behind on. You can get even a free copy of the New Money Playbook here. And if you want to contact them, you can there. Follow them on social media is a good way to do things too, to see just what they're up to. So their social media channels. Meet our team, contribution, and the press. So overall, ENTRE Institute is a great platform to grow a business. Okay, they're going to give you everything like I showed you, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, digital consulting, everything you can imagine, the 3 business models, and it's going to break it down for you and really show you that this is something that you can tackle on and get it done with in an efficient manner. And so I'm going to leave a link down below so you can get started with this. I also hand out a bunch of bonuses, so if you want to look at those too, you can you're more than welcome to look at them. And so you can test drive it. I think it's still for $7, but I think you can even cut it down to $1. That might be still there, might not be, but just check down below. I'll have the right link for you to check out. But check out ENTRE Institute. It's got my personal recommendation. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. I'd like to hear from you. What are your thoughts? Do you need help from me, myself, what my opinions are, what my professional advice is on stuff, and so forth. All right. Thank you.